The sawmill up for sale is located in central Wisconsin. It is on a 40-acre lot, has a spancrete building. This building also has a new spray foam roof. There is a large 2-stall shop and an adjacent wash bay. There's a large parts room with many spare parts and tools. There's a spherical head on the 636 Moorbark debarker. A separate building houses a sawdust burning boiler. The hydraulic room contains one hydraulic unit for the carriage, one for the entire mill, an air compressor for the shop, and also a Sullair air compressor and dryer for the mill. The filing room contains all Armstrong equipment: a bench, bandsaw sharpener, circle saw sharpener, chipper and planer knife grinder, automatic leveler, and various other pieces of equipment to keep this mill running. The carriage is a 3-bunk log boss on a 17-degree angle slant. It has a 36-inch by 20-foot long log capacity. The saw is a McDonough 6-foot band mill. Second floor operation makes for easier cleanup. After the head rig, the lumber and cants go to the gang saw edger combination, which is a Sherman. Then it's on to the Irvington Moore 16-foot trim saw. The mill also has a cyclone system, a large planer, gang rip saw, 4-side planer, and straight line rip. For additional storage, there's also a 72 by 200 foot warehouse and a large gravel yard for log and lumber storage. Sawmill slab wood is sent to the 58-inch Moorbark chipper. The asking price is $3.5 million. For more information, please contact Rex at rcanderson@students.ntc.edu.